This week, my life changed completely. And because of this, I want to share a trendy letter cake recipe with you. What exactly happened? I will share this secret at the end of this video. The base of this cake is my delicate honey cake, but with a completely modified enhanced cream. After a huge number of failed attempts, I finally found the perfect balance between taste and stability, beautiful appearance and years of execution. Actually, the growth of our community started with this exact cake. How to make the layers soft but hold their shape. How to make the cream absorb perfectly but remain stable under heavy decoration. How to give the latter cake a summer mood and easily create a cake that will amaze everyone. Today, I'm revealing absolutely all my secrets. Let's start with the base that can be prepared in advance, the cake layers. The custard part of the honey cake is the ultimate foundation of flavor. Honey can give an incredible taste and shade to your layers. Today, I'm using honey that is familiar to our island, but I will enhance its flavor with a pinch of cardamom. It beautifully opens up the taste of the layers and works perfectly in combination with berry notes and sour cream. Caramelization over a water bath of the honey, butter and baking soda, exactly baking soda, not baking powder, will give the layers the necessary rise and flavor. Bring it to a beautiful caramel color, then remove out custard mix from the heat and add sugar. This cools down the mixture slightly, so we can immediately add the eggs. Adding the base into the flour is an almost meditative process. The dough becomes incredibly soft and you might even feel that it is too wet. But leave your soft dough under plastic wrap for 10 to 12 minutes. During this time, the flour will absorb the moisture and you will get a dough that is very easy to roll out while remaining perfectly elastic. Now let's cut out the layers or numbers. By the way, write in the comments if you want me to create templates for all these shapes completely for free. If there are enough comments, I will post these templates in free access so that every element of your cake turns out perfectly. One letter or number provide about 4 to 5 servings. You can make them larger, but I don't recommend making them smaller. In the case of this cake, the sequence of preparing our layers is crucial to keep them perfectly flat and sharp. First, the thickness of the layers is key. Roll the dough to 2 or 3 mm in height, so your layers will rise and have the perfect thickness for baking. Second, roll out the first layers with a sufficient amount of flour, because it is important that the dough easily separates from the parchment. Roll on the parchment, transfer the dough onto the baking mat, and only after that cut out layers. Third, dust your template or dough with flour before cutting so that nothing sticks. It is easiest to cut with the pizza wheel. And for internal elements, like in the letter O, it's easier to make the circles with a pastry tip or special cutters, and then cut them without the template. Fourth, prick your layers with a fork, so they don't puff up in the oven. Fifth, bake them between 2 perforated mats. This will help make the layer even flatter. Baking temperature and settings are written in the pinned comment and on the screen. After, cool your layers, and only after cooling, carefully remove them from the mats. Wrapped in plastic, the layers can be stored for up to 1 week. If you are preparing this cake for a celebration, I highly advise making the layers in advance to assemble everything quickly later. As for the cream, we will move away from the classic version for these layers, but we will make a beautifully balanced version for stability and flavor profile. This is a very fast and stable cream. First, we will whip the heavy cream, then we whip the base of crème fraîche with sugar and vanilla, and finally we mix everything with cream cheese, I'm using Philadelphia, and mascarpone. Each component have it responsible for its own side. Crème fraîche provides the body and the familiar tanginess traditional for this cake. Philadelphia is responsible for the structure of the cream, salt and the foundation. Mascarpone ensures ultimate stability and the flavor profile. Vanilla is what gives the cream a flavor that harmonizes with everything. You can replace vanilla with lime zest. Whip the heavy cream to soft peaks. Mix the crème fraîche with sugar until the sugar dissolves and it thickens slightly. A small tip: if it is very difficult to whip, add a part of mascarpone into this mess, and it will come together instantly. Mix the cream cheese and mascarpone with a spatula. Add our sweet base, whip slightly with the mixer only until the ingredients combine. Then fold it out whipped cream with light movements of the spatula. Let the cream rest in the cold while we prepare the decoration. For assembly, take a regular pastry bag. I wanted to show you an option without any hassle. So I am pipping the cream simply with a cut bag without any tips. Wipe the cream drops. And place our layers, pressing down slightly. Then the next layer, and layers of cake again. In my experience, the maximum number of layers is 3 to 4. Don't make more, for the sake of stability. The more layers you want, the smaller the diameter of the cream ball you should make for greater stability. If you want to upgrade the flavor level of this cake, add a stable lemon curd into one of the layers. I will show the recipe of stable lemon curd in a future video, so don't miss it. A berry decor will be perfect with this cake. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries with accents of cherries and mint will open up the flavor even more. Decoration is the most pleasant part, but it is important. Your cake must sit and soak a little, 3 to 4 hours minimum. 6 to 12 hours is better. If you are making the cake for a celebration and have time, it is better to decorate the cake with fresh berries right before serving, so that the berries are as fresh as possible. Look at this texture. The balance of acidity and taste, softness and stability. This makes this cake truly universal. Save the recipe. You will definitely want to remake this cake for a birthday. By the way, I promised to tell you what changed. It's simple. Our community reached 10,000 subscribers this week. Perhaps for someone this number is small, but for me, it is an important appreciation of this channel. I put a lot of strength and knowledge into this channel, and I am very glad that the community is growing. Thank you to everyone who is involved. I would really love to treat each and every one of you to a piece of this cake. Even after a short amount of time, the layers manage to become significantly softer. I know that the channel is transforming now. There will be even more fermentation, bread baking, functional products, but desserts are an important part of everyone's life because we meet every event with something very tasty and sweet. I'm blowing out this candle and making a very important wish. Thank you for being with me and sending a warm greeting to everyone from the Azores Island. The next video will be out very soon. Don't switch off.